Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called Rewardy, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn money just by watching streams. Okay, so that is obviously gaming streams that you can watch online and earn coins, which then you can actually withdraw through PayPal. So we're going to go across and we're going to do a full Rewardy actual review, and we're going to find out whether it is worth your time and whether it is a legit company or not. So stay tuned right to the very end. I've also got a couple more apps that you're going to want to know about as well. I'm going to obviously show you right at the end of this video with some more videos. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the Rewardy actual website here. I've actually signed in, got myself an account. So we're going to go through that very shortly. But before we do, I just want to go and show you a couple of other things that obviously you're going to want to know before we actually sort of start going fully into the video and how it works, etc. So obviously I'd done a little bit of research before, so I went across, find out how Rewardy is actually been set up. And as you can see here, the actual original domain name was registered back in March of 2021, and obviously it's been updated in February 2022. So it's not an old site, it's quite a fairly new site. So I went and done another bit of research and went on to Trustpilot, and as you can see here, they've had 325 reviews at a 4.7 score, which is an excellent score. But the good things as well, these are obviously all good things, but the two that really look for is if it's a verified company. Now, they've actually verified their account on Trustpilot by giving proof of identity, contact details, and a bank account. So 3 separate things. And they've also obviously claimed their profile. And it says here they've actually replied to 100% of negative reviews. That is another good sign. So they're obviously active on their account. And there's some actually contact information here with a support contact email. And it tells you they're from Sweden. Okay, so all in all, this could be deemed as being a fairly good site. That it looks as if it's paying out, etc. Like I say, they've had 85. Over 94% of 4 or 5 stars out of their reviews. So let's go over now and find out exactly how you can actually earn money Rewardy just watching streams. Okay, so if we come back to my site here, and as you can see here, there's ways you can earn here. So you've got earn, you've got offers, which are new, leaderboard, streams, quizzes, challenges, a referral, raffle, and bonus. Okay, and in the corner here, I've obviously amounted 290 actual coins. And if you see here, this is a clock. Okay, now we're set on 0 at the moment, so I'm not going to be able to show you everything, but when you first come in here, this will be set on 60. That means you've got 60 minutes that you can actually go and watch streams, okay, and do other tasks. So if we go across to the streams, literally all you do is literally click on an actual person here and go and watch their stream. That's it. There's no sound. You don't have to have the sound up or anything like that. You just actually need to go and contact that. But at the moment, obviously, I'm not going to get anything because I haven't got any time left. So it won't actually give me any points. But initially, it gives you 2 coins for every minute that you watch. So what you have to do is you have to then go and obviously get more time. And the way you can do this is go and take challenges, quizzes, etc. So if we click on quizzes, there are various quizzes here. What you do have to do, and I'll tell you this, is you need to come over and once you click this, you'll see you can only obviously get this on an app. Okay, so you will need to download an app onto your mobile. It does do Android and iOS. And they've had over 10,000 downloads. And it's an app called Quiz Mind. So obviously all you need to do is obviously install this on your mobile, and then you can go and take quizzes. Now, when you do take the quiz, as you see here, you'll get 10 coins for taking the quiz, but you'll also get 5 minutes of time for every short quiz you take. Now, there are different quizzes here. So you've got obviously TV. And you've got fun quizzes, culture quizzes, social studies, and science. So this is quite good in a way because you're not having to take surveys, that sort of thing. So you're going to be able to take these quizzes all the time. You have to get at least 70% on the quizzes right. That can be and they can be completed once every 4 hours. Okay, so I'm not sure how many quizzes there are. I'm going to actually go and download the app very shortly and get some more time so we can actually see where I can build this up and actually withdraw. Okay, you've also got challenges here as well. Now the challenges are obviously you can share a retweet with obviously all talking about Rewardy, and you can obviously claim 30 minutes of time by just doing that. Another way you can do it is obviously follow complete offers. So if you complete earn 500 points in offers, you can claim 25 invites to the raffle. Okay, and again, if you invite friends as well, you can obviously get more raffle prizes and obviously some coins and some time. If you actually you can claim 50 minutes on time by literally just referring 10 users. And of course you can watch streams as well, and obviously you watch clips, which actually wasn't available yesterday but is available now. So this is how you can actually go and build up your time, so you can just literally go back and then obviously watch streams. You have got a raffle here as well, so you can be entered into a raffle if you get a ticket. Okay, and you could earn 5,000 coins just by winning that raffle. There's a bonus tab here, and there will be promotional bonus tabs. So if you actually follow them on their social media, there will be promotional codes where you can actually just claim and put the code in here and claim. If you also sign up for their newsletter, which will actually claim you 50 coins as well, which is what I did. And as you can see, social media as well, you can go and obviously follow them on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and join their Discord community as well if you want. So loads of things of where you can actually go and do that. So when you actually earn this money, how can you withdraw? So let's just quickly go through. And they've got various different, obviously, cash payments and gift cards that you're able to actually withdraw. So PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and then you've obviously got gift cards such as Amazon, Roblox, Steam and Fortnite, which are both disabled at the moment. Okay, I would always choose possibly PayPal because I don't do an awful lot on the Bitcoin stuff. Now if you click on it, this actually tells you that you've obviously got to reach a minimum of 2,500 points before you can actually withdraw. It doesn't actually tell you how much that 2,500 points will get you. That could get you $1, could get you $5. $5 is normally the amount that it would normally give you. But again, I'm going to do another video update as we go through, and then obviously a payment proof hopefully at a later date. But I don't see any reason why these aren't paying out, because obviously their Trustpilot would not read as well as that if they weren't paying out. All in all, a Rewardy is a good way of obviously earning money just by watching some streams and doing quizzes, challenges, that sort of thing. You can also do offers as well. They've put offers in here, which is new, and you can go and earn some big coins that way as well. So look, 1,600 coins there. You can go and earn 1,600 points on most of these surveys. But again, as we know, surveys could be limited to various countries that you live in. So if you're not quite got the same amount of offers in your country as I have here, then obviously you might not be able to earn as many coins. For earning a few extra bucks, like I say, a month, it's not going to give you a full-time income, but it certainly is going to give you a little bit of extra cash every single month. So be sure to check out Rewardy and tell us what you think in the comments below the video here. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next if you're interested in making some money with other apps as well. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.